I'm here with this beautiful E34 series BMW 325 TD diesel. Super straight car. HPI clear, no accidents as you can see. The arches look great. You've got alloy wheels. Expensive Michelin tires, top of the range. Everything's super straight and as it should be. We've got tax to the end of the month. MOT for nearly a year. Let me open it up for you. We've got 2 sets of keys for it. Central locking. As you can see, we got the immobilizer. We open it up. Interior is just spotless. There's no rips, tears, holes, or stains. Premium Sony CD player. Super low miles. We open up the back. Same thing, spotless. There's no cigarette burns, no tears, no holes, no stains. We've got power mirrors, power windows up front, manual windows in the rear. It gets amazing petrol economy. We're gonna go for a spin now. Take the car for a drive. Because it has an immobilizer, if you don't hit the unlock before you drive it, the car won't start. So you've got about 20 seconds to start it after you hit the immobilizer. Otherwise, you need to do it again. So I've got the keys here. Put them in the ignition. Wait for the glow plugs to warm up. That's that light there. Once it's done, we can turn the key. Starts right up. And as you can see, we've got no warning lights. There's the parking brake. We'll go ahead and put it down. You'll see the parking light come off. Boom. Good to go. All right, I'm gonna move the seat forward a little bit. So you're listening to BBC London. Radio works great. Air conditioning controls, if we turn it all the way up. You can hear it, we've got the heat on there. It works lovely. Auxiliary input for your iPod, iPhone. Let's put our windows down here. They're automatic windows, so you don't have to press them. And they continue to go down. All right, we'll put them back up. All right, we're gonna go for a spin. I can't tell you enough how great this car is on petrol, or on diesel rather. Outstanding miles per gallon. And the car is exactly as it should be. There's no, as we come to a stop here, you won't hear any squealing with the brakes. Just comes to a nice stop. Going over bumps, there's no clunks in the suspension, no funny sounds. You lock the wheel left, you lock it right. No issues, power steering's excellent. Clutch is perfect. Cruising around 3rd gear right now. Engine idle is as it should be. There's no smoking, no ticking, no knocking. You can see nice, smooth, steady idle. Exactly what you would expect from a BMW. With the clutch, there's no grinding of the gears. There's no slippage. Nothing pops out. Everything is exactly as it should be. You won't have to spend £1 on this car. It's been very well maintained. I've got dozens of maintenance documents. And all of the former MOTs. Alright, we're just driving around here. Thanks for checking out the video. If you've got any more questions, do not hesitate to ask. Call me, shoot me a text, shoot me an email. I'm always available. Again, thank you for checking out my video. Check out my YouTube channel for more. Cheers.